Hello everyone, my name is Vania Sultan and in this presentation I am going to tell that what is the combustion and fuels. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first is, what is the combustion? When a substance combines fast with oxygen giving out heat and light, the phenomenon is called combustion. Then a substance that is burnt with a view to obtaining heat and light from it is called a fuel. Now what is the ignition temperature? The temperature to which a substance must be heated before combustion takes place is known as its ignition temperature. As you can see in this activity, a paper cup containing water does not burn when placed over a flame. So it's called the ignition temperature. So let's see what is the biogas. Biogas is obtained by the anaerobic fermentation of cattle dung and domestic sewage, and this is the biogas plant. Let's see what is the digester. The fermentation takes place in an underground tank made of bricks called the digester. Now, what is the calorific value of a fuel? The amount of heat given out by a unit mass of a fuel on complete combustion in air or oxygen is known as the calorific value of the fuel. Now, what is the coal? Coal is most widely found fossil fuel and it's obtained from mines. It has been used from ancient times. So, now we are going to discuss that there are how many types of fuels. So, there are three types of main fossil fuels like coal, petroleum and natural gas. So let's discuss that what is the natural gas. Natural gas collects over petroleum inside the earth. Wells are sunk to extract them. Natural gas is directly transported through pipes and used. Crude oil is transported to oil refineries for processing. Now, what is the petroleum gas? The uncondensed gas called petroleum gas come out of the tower. What is the refining petroleum? Petroleum contains a large number of compounds with difficult boiling points. They are separated by fractional distillation. Now, what is the crude oil? The petroleum is a thick, dark, strong smelling liquid naturally found deep under the earth. It yields many fuels. Unrefined oil, petroleum, is called crude oil. Let's see that what makes a good fuel. A good fuel should have the following characteristics, like it should be easily available, it should be cheap, it should have a high calorific value, it should have a low ignition point which is not lower than room temperature so that it does not catch fire at room temperature. It should not burn too fast or too slowly. It should be safe to store, handle and transport. Thank you.